Hello everyone, in this short video I want to show you the HLOOKUP function. The HLOOKUP function is quite similar to the Vlookup function. It only goes from left to right, then from top to bottom in the Vlookup function. Okay, so now here we want to get the score of Joshua from this table above here. It's just the transposed table from the Vlookup function video. For that we just type equal HLOOKUP. We get the lookup value, which is Josh, then the table array, then also the row index instead of the column index, and we want the score, so we select the third row, and at the end we just put here false because we want an exact match. And then we hit enter and we see 32 is the score of Josh, and when we look that up here in the table it is the same. And when we type here, for example, Tom, we get Tom scores of 53 here. Great! Thanks a lot and have a nice day.